guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and what a year 2022 has been for us, for all of our customers, and for you. I just want to take a second to talk about some of the responses, some of the emails that I've received for making these videos, and it's my pleasure, believe me, it really is. But some of the stuff that I've been receiving is, thank you notes, things like that. People who are new to the Windows sales world, like Justin from Chico, California, had reached out to me and left a little note saying that he was happy that these videos were there to kind of help educate him. Now he feels better about educating customers in Northern California on Anlin Windows. Also, there was another response that we had gotten on the YouTube comments from a guy who works at the Millworks department in Lowe's and was saying that, hey man, that he feels more confident talking about Windows now. He understands what low E is, argon, vinyl, different types of, different styles of windows. He feels more confident now. So I'm glad that I'm actually able to do these and make these videos for you. Comments about customers who've responded saying, man, I feel so much better, talking about Windows now. Before, I knew nothing about Windows. Now I have the ability to have somebody come into my home and I can kind of feel things out and understand what it is that I'm getting, what it is that I want, so on and so forth. So 2022 has been a fantastic year, and 2023 is only gonna get better. We're gonna be taking on a couple more different window brands, which is gonna be amazing. So Western Windows, look out for that. Now that is going to be a huge improvement from just doing vinyl. We're gonna start talking about doing some aluminum windows, some very awesome style of windows. They're beautiful, huge window walls, bifolding doors, just amazing stuff. Also, Anderson windows. We're gonna talk about maybe doing some Anderson as well. They have beautiful wood windows, composite windows. It's gonna be fantastic. So stay tuned if you haven't already subscribed, because there's gonna be so much stuff that's gonna be talking about different style of windows, how we install those windows, so on and so forth. Also in 2022, we have expanded. We went from just being in Ventura to also being in Long Beach. So we're offering services to customers in Long Beach. It's not gonna stop there. We're going to continue to grow, continue to progress and get better as a business. I'm always learning, always learning. I never wanna think that I just know everything about Windows, because I don't. I'm always willing to learn. If somebody knows something about a window that I can actually take in and go, you know what, that's amazing. Now I understand something better about a different style of window. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. There's gonna be a lot of videos coming out this year. All right, 2023 is gonna be a huge year for us, and hopefully for you as well. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the comment section. I'll try to respond as soon as possible and make it a great 2023. Talk soon. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.